Hey everyone! Today we're exploring the beautiful city of Bled in Slovenia. It's just a quick 45-minute drive from Ljubljana. And let me tell you, the journey here is just as beautiful as the destination. You don't want to miss this. As we arrive in Bled, you'll notice the town's charming atmosphere. This picturesque place has an estimated population of around 8,000 as of 2024, but it feels even more intimate. Bled is known for its medieval Bled Castle, perched dramatically above the glacial Lake Bled. It offers panoramic views that are simply breathtaking, and it's a place where history comes alive. You can feel the stories of the past as you walk through its ancient halls. Now, let's dive into the real star of the show, Lake Bled. This stunning glacial lake is famous for its emerald waters and the iconic Bled Island, home to the Assumption of Maria Church. Surrounded by lush green landscapes and rolling hills, Lake Bled is a true paradise. Picture-perfect views greet you at every turn, and the fresh mountain air is invigorating. The area around the lake is dotted with luxury villas and charming guest houses that offer stunning views and a taste of Slovenian hospitality. Imagine waking up to the serene beauty of this place every morning. The scenic vistas here are out of this world, making it perfect for those seeking adventure or tranquility. You'll find beautiful villas along the lake's coast, adding to its allure as a top tourist destination. The highways around Lake Bled make it easily accessible, and the drive itself offers picturesque views that will have you reaching for your camera at every turn. The surrounding Julian Alps provide endless opportunities for outdoor activities, such as hiking, biking and skiing, making Lake Bled a year-round paradise for nature lovers. It's a jewel in Slovenia's crown, captivating visitors from all over the globe. Now let's talk about Bled Castle. This majestic fortress sits on a steep cliff 130 meters above Lake Bled and is Slovenia's oldest castle, dating back to 1011. As we climb up to the castle, the views just keep getting better. Once inside, you'll find a fascinating museum showcasing the region's rich history, a charming chapel, an old-school printing press, and even a wine cellar. With its picturesque setting and medieval architecture, Bled Castle is a must-visit for anyone seeking both historical insights and breathtaking scenery. The views from up here are absolutely stunning, and you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. No trip to Bled would be complete without some time on the water. One of the most popular activities at Lake Bled is boating. The traditional pletna boats are unique to Lake Bled and provide an authentic Slovenian experience. These charming wooden boats glide silently across the calm waters, offering breathtaking views of the island and surrounding mountains. It's a peaceful and serene way to experience the lake. If you're feeling adventurous, you can rent rowboats or paddleboards to explore the lake at your own pace. The lake also hosts numerous boating events and competitions, attracting enthusiasts and participants from around the world. Whether it's a leisurely boat ride to the picturesque island or an exciting rowing adventure, the boating activities on Lake Bled offer something for everyone. It's an experience that truly enhances the allure of this enchanting destination. Don't miss the Assumption of Maria Church, a beautiful Baroque-style church located on Bled Island. It's accessible by those charming pletna boats. Surrounded by the lake's serene emerald green waters and set against a backdrop of lush mountains, the church is a sight to behold. It's famous for its iconic 99-step staircase and the wishing bell. Legend has it that if you ring the bell, your wishes will be granted. This enchanting setting and historical significance make it a must-visit for anyone seeking spiritual and cultural experiences. Travel makes one modest. You see what a tiny place you occupy in the world, said by Gustave Flaubert. And that wraps up our incredible day trip to Bled. Next up, we'll be taking you to the stunning city of Novo Mesto in Slovenia and then on to Brestanica. So stay tuned for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.